opposites in English? Big, small. The elephant is big. The mouse is small. Hot, cold. Coffee is hot. Ice cream is cold. Happy, sad. She is happy today. He is sad today. Fast, slow. The cheetah is fast. The turtle is slow. Up, down. The balloon goes up. The ball falls down. In, out. The cat is in the box. The cat is out of the box. Open, closed. The door is open. The door is closed. Old, new. This car is old. The car is new. Clean, dirty. The plate is clean. The shoes are dirty. Early, late. She arrived early. He arrived late. Light, heavy. The feather is light. The rock is heavy. Near, far. The school is near. The airport is far. Tall, short. The giraffe is tall. The puppy is short. Rich, poor. The businessman is rich. The farmer is poor. Strong, weak. The lion is strong. The kitten is weak. Easy, difficult. This question is easy. That question is difficult. Full, empty. The glass is full. The bottle is empty. Day, night. We work during the day. We sleep at night. Laugh, cry. The baby laughs. The baby laughs. Buy, buy. I buy a book. The shop sells books. Push, pull. Push the door. Pull the rope. Give, take. Please give me the pen. Please give me the pen. Before, after. Wash your hands before dinner. Brush your teeth after dinner. Above, below. The clock is above the table. The bag is below the table. Right? Right? Your answer is right. His answer is wrong.